We live in an era of endless noise. We are hyperconnected, yet somehow, we have never felt more detached. We spend our days trading hours for numbers on a screen, and then we trade those numbers for food wrapped in plastic, food that has traveled thousands of miles, grown by strangers, treated with chemicals we can't pronounce. We have forgotten the feeling of source. But there is a quiet revolution happening. It isn't happening in the boardrooms or on the servers. It's happening in the backyard, on the balcony, on that small patch of land you drive past every day. It is the return to farming. But not farming as an industry, farming as independence. To grow your own food is perhaps the most radical act of independence left in the modern world. When you plant a seed, you are stepping out of the system of dependency. You are declaring that you can provide for yourself. You are trading convenience for capability. There is a profound shift in your psychology when you realize that your survival isn't entirely dependent on a supply chain that could break. It is dependent on your hands, your soil, and the sun. This isn't just about vegetables. It is about sovereignty. It is about waking up and knowing that you are a producer, not just a consumer. Now, hold on. You might be thinking, I don't have 100 acres. I don't have a tractor. Good. You don't need them. Independent farming today isn't about industrial scale. It is about density. It's about care. It is microfarming. It is permaculture. It is turning a quarter acre or even a raised garden bed into a powerhouse of nutrition. It will be hard work. Your back will ache. You will lose crops to pests. You will watch the sky and pray for rain. But in that struggle, you find something that the office cubicle never gave you: purpose. You find a partnership with the natural world. You learn that failure isn't a career setback, it's just compost for next season's success. And then, the harvest comes. There is no flavor in the world like a tomato that was still on the vine 5 minutes ago. There is no satisfaction like sitting down to a dinner where everything on the plate exists because of your labor. It grounds you. It heals the modern anxiety that comes from moving too fast. Soil forces you to slow down to the speed of nature. You don't have to change your whole life today, but you can change your tomorrow. Buy the seeds. Prep the soil. Get your hands dirty. Reclaim your independence.